Alright, so here is an update for the wave particle visual presentation assignment. So here you are already watching the waves tutorial, and second you are selecting which electromagnetic technology you will research and create a visual representation. Okay, so I'll show you what that looks like. You want to click here, and when you click that, you come to here. Here's an updated version of the visual presentation, or the visual presentation assignment. So the format requirements are an iMovie, a Venn diagram, Google Slides, charts. You can make any sort of other video or online technological presentation. It needs to include diagrams and pictures to help aid your understanding, and you must cite your sources. So your research can go at the bottom of this document, or at the bottom of your own document here. In your presentation, you need to describe the technology overview and have a brief history, the discovery of that technology, relevant vocabulary used in context, and the scope of the uses. So scope is like the limit of the size of the uses. So how widely and commonly is the technology used? And then finally, the science application. So what are the properties of the waves and the behaviors of the waves that you are outlining the technology for? So here's probably the learning objective that you will use, and here are the application ideas that you are free to sign up for. No more than 2 students per application idea. Okay, so I'm just going to go over a few of them. Sunscreen, the photoelectric effect, solar cars, music fidelity, the difference in how music is recorded, AM and FM waves, 3G and 4G cellular data, cellular or Wi-Fi dead zones, quantum computers, polarizing lenses, like sunglasses, the Doppler effect. Really cool application is redshift and blueshift, solar system detection, like how we figure out where there are stars and planets. Or you could do long distance whale sounds, Schrodinger's cat, electron microscopes, many worlds interpretation, super interesting application and theory about there being many worlds, X-ray machines, radiation treatment for cancer, or gas discharge tubes. So pick one of these, and then what you'll do is when you pick one of these, you will find this document, also linked in the assignment, and you put your name here, for example, and you will pick your wave application, for example, sunscreen and UV protection, for example, and then you can put a link to your visual presentation here. Now, if Camila decides to do sunscreen and UV protection, and someone else does as well, okay, say Duke decides to do the same thing, then the next person cannot do sunscreen or UV protection. Only 2, okay? So, let's go back to the assignment. So you put your research in your own document. You can begin building your presentation and put it into the document I just showed you. Okay, hope that helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Put them here on the public class comments if you do. Do all of this, begin building your presentation, and do your research before you come to class on Monday. Okay, good luck.